Over the course of my long life, I have come to believe that we are bound forever to those with whom we share blood. And while we may not choose our family, that bond can be our greatest strength, or our deepest regret. This unfortunate truth has haunted me for as long as I can recall.
What do you make of that?
No banner, no flag, floated in out of nowhere. A miracle ship.
Why is it just sitting out there?
I suppose we ought to find out. Where in hell is everyone?
Deserted. Which makes everything in the hold legally forfeit. Take what suits you. What do you make of that? Open it up.
What the hell?
Lovely to see such a handsome face after a long journey. Can I eat him, brother?
I'd rather you didn't. There's no need to be afraid. You'll do exactly as I say. You'll remember nothing.
I will remember nothing.
We've had a very long journey, wherein which, unfortunately, we lost all of our crew. Therefore, I would ask you to kindly transport our belongings to the shore.
What kind of hell demons are you?
We're vampires, darling. The original vampires. Rebecca, Elijah, our brothers Cole and Finn, may they rest in peace.
Are we saving the best for last?
And our half-brother Niklaus. Ignore him, he's a beast.
We bled Europe and survived the seas. Would you rather I arrive hungry on the shores of our new homeland?
Niklaus, your manners are, as always, without equal. Sir, would you be so good as to tell us where it is that we have landed?
The French colony of Louisiana, off the shores of a town they've named New Orleans.
Well, thank you so much.
Oh.
I do recommend that you find yourself further assistance for the luggage. My sincere apologies.